What is that you're feeding me?
Coffee.
Coffee? Hey, Peyton. Peyton,
Is it baby bottle?
can I have more coffee? No, I don't want a bottle. I want coffee.
A bottle?
Is there coffee in it?
No.
Oh. Can I have
Coffee.
more coffee?
More coffee. More coffee.
Are you cooking?
Yeah. More coffee.
What is that?
Coffee.
Oh, thank you. Mmm. That's good. Mommy's coffee's all gone. All done. Do we need more coffee?
Yeah. I should buy it for you.
You gonna buy some? You gonna buy some at the store?
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you.
More coffee, Mommy.
More coffee for Mommy.
What's that?
What is this?
It's a one.
It says, I think it's soap. I don't know what this is. They're just bottles.
A bottle?
Oh, here's a bottle. This is juice. This is for a baby. Mommy doesn't want a bottle. Mommy's not a baby. Hey! Hey! Peyton!
Soap.
Yeah, put the soap.
It's soap.
Put the soap in the sink. In your kitchen sink.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Is it good?
In your sink.
3 cups. With coffee.
Yeah.
First.
Thank you.
Mama.
Thank you, Peyton.
Oh no. Big coffee.
Did you lose my coffee?
Yeah. You want a mine. You're afraid of chocolate. Coffee.
Where's my coffee? Peyton! Mommy wants her coffee. Yay! Did you find it?
More coffee.
Oh, we gotta cook it first.
More coffee.
More coffee out of the sink.
More coffee. More coffee. More coffee for me.
Yeah, more coffee.
Hey.
I gotta pick up all that stuff on the floor. Ooh, thank you. Is it hot? Is it hot?
What's that?
Is it hot?
No.
No? Oh.
Hey.
Oh, 2 cups of coffee? Thank you.
More coffee, Mommy.
Here. Wait.
Coffee.
More coffee?
Take off.
Oh my goodness.
Take off, Mommy.
Thank you, Peyton.
More coffee.
I don't know if Mommy needs any more coffee. No.
It's hot.
It's hot this time? Oh, okay. I'll have some hot coffee then.
More coffee. More.
And then can we pick up all those toys on your floor? Oh, you didn't hear me. Is it hot?
No. It's hot.
It's what?
It's hot.
It's hot. Hey, did you blow on it? Peyton. Should Mommy blow on hers?
Yeah.
Ow! Oh, did I burn myself?
Bite?
Okay.
Because
I'm all done.
what?
No more. Can we pick up your toys now?
Hi.
Hey.
Oh.
hey, Peyton. Hey, can we pick up your toys?
No.
Why not? It's a mess. Look at all those toys on the floor. You gotta clean your room. Clean it up. Clean up. Good job. There. Oh no. Clean up. What are you doing?
Get a baby cup. Get a baby cup.
Getting a baby cup.
Oh, baby hat.
Oh, baby hat. Do you want help?
No.
No?
No.
Be careful.
There's a baby toy.
Oh, you found a baby toy.
Is that what a baby?
Yeah, that's for the baby. Can you say goodbye? Peyton. Peyton. Say bye to Mommy's phone. Where are you going? Oh my goodness. Peyton. Hey. Say bye to Mommy's phone.
Mommy.
Oh.
Bye.
Bye, Mommy's phone.
Bye. Yeah.
No. You can't see anything when you turn it around.
Oh, hold it.
No. Hold on. I'll turn it off and then you can hold it.
Oh.
Blow kisses.
No.
Oh, cranky.
Oh,